disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team better win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team better win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. This, yeah. Him and her and them over there. They looking over here. They giving me a stare like I care. Like I care. No, no. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that. 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 I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not fucking with me, alright. Wish all they looking at me. She want me to slide for the fling. She want me to show her some things. But right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, bitch, shoving my sauce, been writing these sauces. 48 key drop, tell me when to go. How you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all from the soil, shit 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been decking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me. No drama, more flights, next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody's grass. I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna breed me, I'm trying to do Fiji. I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I allow your soul.
I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. 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 Yeah, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, I think she want more than a flame. Want me to give her that moonlight. Everything not what it seems. Real one from the jump start. Gotta watch step on a tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Lord knows it's God's work.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I'm rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow Hair. Shout out to you Rpgshow for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys don't already know, Rpgshow is bae, honey, okay? They always come through with the come through, so shout out to y'all. And I also love that they always come with the details in a nice little package. I love that. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking, the name is Up Hair 002. The texture is silky. It does not give silky to me, but that's what they have on here, so okay. It's silky. The length is 20 inches. The hair color is like picture. It's the cap size 1, which is 21.5 to 22. So that's more so the average or standard cap size. So that's the cap size I have. The construction is a 13 by 6 glueless lace front wig. Density 200%. The lace color is tinted transparent Swiss lace light brown. Okay, so those are all the details and specs that they sent me. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, y'all, I have not experienced any other things. It's not to say at some point, oh girl won't do it. It's just saying that straight out of the packaging, oh girl is doing none of the things, okay? As far as bleaching the knots, as far as tweezing the hairline, I didn't have to do any of that. So like, what you guys see is how she woke up, like honestly, okay? She woke up like this. So I didn't have to do any extra stuff to this unit, and you guys know your girl lazy, so I love that for me. What else? It is, in my opinion, big head friendly, but I would suggest you getting whatever cap size you wear. I think this one is geared more towards small to medium head friendly. I could be wrong, but to me, I do feel like it is big head friendly. It does have that elastic band on there, so I feel like you can make it work no matter what, but I would suggest you getting whatever cap size you know you wear. So measure your head, child. I know that sounds crazy, but measure your head, that way you know it'll fit the way you want it to fit. And it will probably be easier for you to wear it glueless if you do get the right cap size. Yeah, I think that is it, y'all. I think that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Like, it's not a whole lot that, you know, I have to say. Like, I think that is it. So if you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. So if you've been watching me, you know that my con for the more high-end wigs is always the same con. Now, granted, it says it's a 13 by 6. It is. Like, honey, that part can still go. Okay? That part is parting, honey. But as far as, like, on the sides, there isn't, like, if you want to do a super deep part, there isn't a lot of room to do so. And at the beginning, I showed you guys, like, what it looks like underneath. So you can kind of have an idea of how much parting space you have. So that is always my con. And it seems to be more of a luxury brand thing. I don't know. But yeah, that's going to be my con. My pros is everything, honey. Everything. I cannot stop looking at myself. I love this unit, y'all. This is going to be bae. She got to stay. Okay. This is going to be bae. She has to stay. Like, I love this unit. I love that I didn't have to tweeze it. The hairline is amazing. I think this unit is extremely beginner friendly. I know, you know, y'all be like in the comments like, that junk is hot, girl. You know what I'm saying? I get it. Trust me, I get it. I'm Virgo child. You know we frugal. But I just feel like you need at least one. Okay? You need at least one in your closet. Okay? If you're a wig wearer, you need at least one. Because it just literally just feels like it melts in your skin. Like, I love this unit. I love this company. I love this color. I love everything about it. So yeah, those are my pros. I feel like I really could have skipped this part. Yes, obviously I would recommend this wig. Like, I ain't gonna even say anything else. Everything I said in the pros is why I would recommend it. So obviously I would definitely recommend you buy this unit. All right, y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below. Once again, shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous Beauty on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every styles and weekly.